has been raining continuously for the past weeks now. I think the last sunny day was around 3-4 weeks ago, like a proper sunny day. As a result, most of our plans have been cancelled. Anyway, I have this thing during my childhood. Me and my friend Gerard always follow the flood around the city of Leh. So I know I'm an adult now, but it's kind of still lingers. So I'm gonna walk around the barangay here in Silang and along the highway just to see the flood and all those. I'm actually been sleeping the whole week at the house, so I'm trying to look for something to vlog about. So might as well do this. I'm actually out here in the rain trying to shoot for some, I don't know, any good thing happening on this kind of weather. Actually, I'm out here trying to shoot like flood or something. I know it sounds weird, but yeah, trying to shoot some flood video. I don't know, anything for the rain. I know what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go and shoot some fog video. I actually didn't shoot any like fog material B-roll for future use on my accent phone, so I think today is the right time for it. So I can see from that side. There's like some fog all the way there, so you might go and take some video along the highway from this side. Anyway, yesterday was a bit foggier than today. It was like a lot of fog, but I didn't bring this camera, the accent camera. I brought my iPhone, so these are some of the footage that I took from my iPhone. It's not that clear. It's an iPhone 6. It's not like the latest iPhone, but it's still good though. So today I decided to bring that, hoping to get some of the foggy shots, but there's no fog. They all gone yesterday. Just a friendly reminder that always bring your camera anywhere you go. You don't know what you might see or expect or meet. So yeah, that's the flood I'm talking about behind me. That's what I'm talking about, like going out here and looking for flood. That's what I meant. The one behind me. Man, these Filipinos are very considerate when driving here. Back home, the driver will just come and go. They said it's a good thing. It's the best time to wash the underneath of your car. Yeah, the shop and all those. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about looking for flood. Biking on a rain. Every part of the Philippines, like nationwide, it's raining heavy. I don't know why I choose to ride Oh, look at the flood. Anyway, after all this rain from this week, even making a vlog about it, today is actually a beautiful sunny day. The sun is out early at 6 a.m. and it's still here, so I'm out here getting some vitamin D, doing some errands that I was supposed to do throughout the 2-3 weeks of rain, so I'm doing that now. And yeah, I think it's gonna rain again in the afternoon, but whatever. At least the first half of the day it's not raining. And I just finished all my errands. Oh no. Yep, feels showers. It's gonna rain again. So yeah, anyway, that's the vlog, daily vlog. See you on the next one.